Lady, I come off of the garbage truck. I want to do a good deed to her in the day here. Hello, young miss. Hello. Come here. Hi, you work on the garbage truck?
Yes, I work on it.
Me just a pass and I drive behind the truck and I say, Jerry said to me, see a woman there, because I never say you was a woman, you know.
Okay.
And I drive, I video you, because I do a good deed with you. Big up yourself. Because enough woman now do what you do. How long you work on the garbage truck?
Yes.
How long you work on the garbage truck? 2 years now? Are you the only female there on it?
No, there's one more.
So she there on it now?
No, she's within fire.
Oh, so yeah, come out. Well, I don't have enough money for me, but I buy you lunch today as a lady on the garbage truck. You understand? Because enough people now do it. And that's how I get my little blessing from God. What your name?
Kasian.
Kasian.
Yeah.
Alright, big up Kasian. Hold on there. I'm going to need the money there. And I come out, come shake your hand for this. Whole heap of woman, you tell them, say for the work on a garbage truck. And then don't come out. Hold on there, yeah. Yeah, then don't come out. When I money drop. Natalie, you need call. Pass me the bag there for me. Yeah, then don't. Like when I money drop. You know what we got? Yeah. Hold this for me there. Hold this for me. Yeah. Bless you. What your name?
Kasian.
Kasian. Look here, Planka shop. You see this young miss? You see her for the garbage shop. Auntie Dana doing good when to see people. This is my seed for the day. $7,000. Beg up yourself. Tell other young girls out there out of work on the garbage shop and not shame them in your day.
Shame me. You have to take care of your
Yes. How much children you have?
6 girls.
Oh, how old?
21.
Wow. And then go to school and everything.
Yeah, man.
I had this for 2 years.
Yeah.
Try to pay good? Wow. Mother's Day, me go link now. What's your name?
Kasian.
Casey and Paula, take our number. Pick up your nice sweet self.
Yeah.
Pick up on the garbage truck, make them see. Now up on the garbage truck, let's see how we don't buy. Let me try to go up on the garbage truck and put our work on it. Come up yourself.
Yeah.
Oh. First time I climb up on a garbage truck, like this lady, taking our money, no matter the circumstance, no pride in our game, no shame in our game. Big William,
Kasian.
pick up Kasian and pick up all of the ladies that work on garbage truck. Sometimes pride take up some of it, we don't want to understand the work. And then I'm going down to our people and to do this, to do this, on the garbage truck and do our work and we like to take it all. Pick up yourself, get it. When you have come on your job, you're not there to hide.
We not even get to snap
Big
her
up
up.
yourself. Yeah, big up yourself. So if you're bigger up on the garbage truck, you're the driver. Big up yourself, driver. Alright, bless you. Give her your number. Alright, big up long girls.
Oh, no could have bad blood. Me did half a share this. Yeah man, run the call Auntie Dana, tell him say, strike my channel, for share something where stand out. When me say, yeah man, because the reason why I say that, you know, when me share a little thing, you call Auntie Dana for go strike your channel. Yeah man, run the call Auntie Dana. Listen to me, me love this. Me love this. John was star. Yo, enough of them young people, you know, have them priorities right. Them don't have them priorities straight. Some of them want big body. Them want breast, leg and thigh. I'll fake something too. You understand? But guess what? Them don't want work. Them want the latest hairstyle. Yeah. When them go dance, them have to wear something new because them take picture in a this already and them take picture in a that already. This lady say, look here, no shame not in a me game. What me say? If a garbage truck the thing there, a this or the thing there. How much pity me have, and me nah sit around and beg. Me nah look handout. All me want is somebody to teach me for fish. Yeah man, me will catch a fish myself. Me love this lady. Big up yourself, lady. Respect our manners. Go and do your thing. And your thing say you pity them now. Look for you, admire you. Them admire you. Yes, man. Parents supposed to be their child first role model. And this lady is her children's role model and other people out here right now. Blast a share on the video, no man. Press the like button, no man. Press the dislike button, no man. Interact with the video. It's okay. If you don't like a bone in me, that is okay. This we are dealing with, I know me, the good things them. Because we refuse to share the negative vibes only. We have to share positive things too. When we say, Auntie Dana, big up yourself and thank you for highlighting this young lady. Yeah, man, I love this, man. Spam the comment section, man. Give this young lady and others out there some words of encouragement. And for the ladies, them we just love breast, leg, and thigh. And them priorities not right. It's never too late. We not give up on it, you know. Yeah, man. That's why some man are beat on it too, because they don't want to work. Come on, man. No pride, no shame, man, when it come to work, man. Go out there, man, and try something, man. Hey, sometimes people just want to see you try, you know. People just want to see you try, and the rest is history. Yeah, man, I hope this can motivate somebody. Spread the word, no, man. Share the video, man. Do the right thing and like up the video.
You are watching the Jamaica YouTube TV channel. You are listening to the Jamaica YouTube TV channel. We are the supporters of the Jamaica YouTube TV channel. And if you are not a supporter, just hit the notification bell, subscribe, like, and share. Little Larry said that the original 80s boss. Some may yell naturality, no one anorexal body, anorexal body. Boom!
So welcome back, JY family, silent viewers, silent listeners. Please subscribe to the channel, like up the channel, and share up the channel. Big up to each and every one who is sharing, especially those in my WhatsApp group. Yeah, man, who share it and your status. Now, JY family, we have a missing report, a missing bizarre report. This young lady, 15 years old, and her child is missing. Yeah, I wonder if you're here right. Yes, 15 years old and her child is missing. Both of them is missing. A 15-year-old mother and her 1-year-old son gone missing in Portmore. And another alert has been activated for 15-year-old Ruth Ann Wilson and her son, 1-year-old Malachi Williston of Portmore Park, Bridgeport in St. Catherine, who have been missing since Friday, April 5th. Wilson is of dark complexion, slim build, and 160 centimeter, which equivalent to 5 feet 3 inches tall, while Malachi is of dark complexion and about 52 centimeter, which equivalent to 2 feet tall. Report from the Portmore police are that about 5 a.m. Wilson and her son were last seen at home. He was dressed in a peach dress, while Malachi was dressed in a blue and red jumper. All efforts to contact them have so far been unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Ruth and Malachi is being asked to contact the nearest police station. I want to know the emergency number. Now, you don't know, how we deal with it over here. Remember, I said them said today for me, tomorrow for you. We don't know when I feel with you, God forbid. So please, me, I beg you, blast this power on WhatsApp status for me and share it in your guys' contacts, because this 15-year-old mother and her 1-year-old son gone missing. Yeah, I mean, no say a whole heap of question there over this right now, but make we deal with them first, you know, and then ah boy, I don't even know what to say. But anyway, please me I beg you no, bust a share on this to me.
One man is dead and another now nursing bullet wounds after they were attacked and shot on a beach in Hanover Thursday morning. The deceased has been identified as 37-year-old Wade Phillips, otherwise called Scatter, a vendor of Orange Bay Road in Logwood, Hanover. Investigators report that sometime after 10 o'clock, Mr. Phillips was at his stall at the Bloody Bay Beach in Green Island conversing with a 38-year-old farmer when they were attacked and shot. The police were summoned and Mr. Phillips was found dead at his stall. The other victim was rushed to hospital for treatment.
Anything when we said now about these killings are gonna be repetitive. Yeah. So right now I'm not even saying nothing. Wanna comment down below and tell me what you think about these killings. Yeah, it's spiral out of control right now. Right now these killings to the rooftop. Yo. And as me always say, sometime one man they come for, but you end up there. You know, did there a reason or whatever you do, and you just get it too. Them not spare you. Cause they say no witness. Dead man tell no tales, and then them know how the court system go. Yeah, judge them, you know, sometimes I wonder what them had deal with, trust me.
So, gentlemen, I have a concern, right? Ladies, you can chime in if you want. Let's just have a little discussion in the comment section. So, I have noticed that over the years, the gentlemen's shorts have been getting shorter and shorter and shorter. At this point, it come like a battery rider them away when them go out. At this point, it just come like a battery rider. I don't know, maybe me not understand something, but I don't get why you, as a man, you think say your shorts need to be so short and so tight. Where this trend come from? Yana man, mind you, if I am going out with a gentleman and him shorts way shorter than my shorts, we're not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. Cause and I realize that each time I'm here on TikTok or on Instagram and me see like the gentlemen them a go out, them dress up nice and everything, but when you look on the shorts, why no shorts if it's so short and tight, brother? Me not get it. Maybe somebody can explain it to me, but I really don't get it. I don't get it. To be honest, some of no shorts shorter than enough of the girl them shorts when them are gone away. Me no know, I don't get it. I don't get it. So maybe somebody can explain it to me because I really don't get it.
JY family, come on man, come on. You can't reach so far and don't press the like button. Hit the bell icon to be notified. And this is the channel you need to subscribe to that you didn't know you need to subscribe to. Do the right thing, man.
Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of